Igang kwan mapat kama wa oi ye wano lotino tima nok tutual magen go chako kwan ge me tam me adek.
We have more than 50% turnout for day one. Given the circumstances within the parents community, that's very promising. And we hope by the end of the week we will have achieved our 100% expectation, and we'll kick off Nemari.
Iyo acheli bene wano lufonye tie manok igang kwan magi kun lutino mago bino mokene oberu ka kwano bukgi kun mokene oberu mere mo le nyoro tiki ko kom well school mo cherle mal magi wajani ki kwa makinini owego jeme tie matek tutwal ki bene donke neno mor gi tie ka yele menene gwak gi kelo jimo go matino tino mano school mero mitich kwede wego kony lutino gi ikar mano gen gi tie igang kwan ento wegi school ma pat mo logo kwedgi wachi lo nyoro romo bino ki school kake loga neno yo michul.
Nothing better than education. So east west education is the best. Let them endeavor and send their children to school.
The private school will encourage the parents to come. Let them come and we talk, we discuss with you, the parents. Turn up the money you are paying, we do understand, but come on, we share, we sit together and we see how we can help one another. And I do advise the parents to come to school. Do not call, but come and we share.
Lutino kwan mogomo logo kwed gi beno nywago tamgi kit magen gi wajo kwede kany.
Very delighted that we are back to school as we students who have managed to report today. We are very delighted.
We are really prepared. We have already done our beginning of term exams and we are really expecting positive results from the teachers marking. I think by next week results are going to be back and we really have high hopes of them.
Parents should expect a lot from us and our teachers because they've done a lot so that we can achieve what we want.
Lok Angeya Ma Ocwiny Wan Luo Tv, Juliet Nambazira Genke Pat Robert Larube.